Good morning, dear students. Let's start differentiation of logarithmic functions. This is lecture 11 of this chapter. Now, students, here we have question number 9. This is really very important question for board exam and almost come of 4 marks. So, students, आप इसे बहुत ही ध्यान से करेंगे. Here you can see the solution. Differentiate the functions in x raised to power sin x plus sin x raised to power cos x. स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं वेरिएबल की पावर में वेरिएबल है तो इस केस में हम log का यूज़ करते हैं और यहाँ बीच में प्लस का साइन है. बोथ आर टुगेदर विथ पॉजिटिव साइन अटैच्ड विथ टुगेदर. सो स्टूडेंट्स हम यहाँ डायरेक्टली log नहीं ले सकते बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ log a plus b. So in this way, first let u is equals to x raised to power sin x and v is equals to sin x raised to power cos x. Then you will write y is equals to u plus v. In this way, differentiate both sides with respect to x to get this one. And now you have to do derivative separately of u and v, and in the last put the value in this equation. So students, let's start here. Calculating first du over dx. Here u is equals to x raised to power sin x. क्योंकि यहाँ वेरिएबल की पावर वेरिएबल है so we have to take log on both sides. In this way we get log u is equals to log x raised to power sin x and sin x move in the front. In this way we get log u is equals to sin x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 over u du over dx, and derivative here you will apply product rule. So sin x as it is derivative of log x is 1 over x and log x as it is derivative of sin x is cos x. So students, in this way you can see here we reach here 1 over u du over dx is equals to cos x log x plus 1 over x sin x. Now by multiplying u in the right hand side and put the value of u from the question x raised to power sin x, we get the result of du over dx. Now students, we have to do derivative of v. Here v is sin x raised to power cos x. So students, आप फिर से देख सकते हैं यहाँ वेरिएबल की पावर वेरिएबल है. So taking log on both the sides. In this way we get log v is equals to log sin x raised to power cos x, and cos x move in the front. In this way log v is equals to cos x into log sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get here using product rule in the right hand side, and in the left hand side we will write 1 over v, derivative of v is dv over dx. So students, you can see here first I write here d over dx and derivative of log v and then derivative of v with respect to x. Now here you can see by using the product rule 1 over v dv over dx and cos x, derivative of cos x, and log x log sin x as it is, derivative of log sin x and cos x as it is. In this way derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of log is 1 over sin x and sin x का derivative क्या होता है cos x. Cos x over sin x comes cot x. So in this way students, put the value of v in the right hand side to get multiplication, and here you can see that this is the result. Now put the value of du over dx and dv over dx in the statement. Here you can see this is the required result. You have to only just put the values, don't calculate this one. Student, ये बहुत ही important question है और ये बोर्ड के पेपर में frequently आता है. ओके सो इसकी आप बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Find dy over dx of the functions in cos x raised to power y is equals to cos y raised to power x. Here we have given this one. So आप देख सकते हैं वेरिएबल की पावर वेरिएबल है, टेकिंग log on both side to get this one. Now पावर जो है दोनों की फ्रंट में हम लिखेंगे because we are using the property of log. In this way we get y log cos x is equals to x log cos y. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Here you will apply the product rule. Y as it is derivative of log x 1 over cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. and now log cos x as it is, derivative of I is dy over dx. Similarly students, हम इसके right hand side का करेंगे. Now you can see here I am doing derivative separately of both. That is up to you whether you want to do derivative in with attachment, okay, in both the sides. You can see here you can do derivative here on both the sides, okay. आप इसे सेपरेटली भी डेरिवेटिव कर सकते हैं, आप इसे दोनों साइड एक साथ डेरिवेटिव भी कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ अप टू यू. आई एम शोइंग यू the by doing the derivative separately. So here we have y into log cos x, dy over dx log cos x as it is, and log derivative of log cos x is 1 over cos x, and cos x is minus sin x. In this way we get dy over dx log cos x minus tan x into y. You can see here sin x over cos x comes tan x. Now students, finding the derivative of x log cos y. In this way, by using the product rule, we will write derivative of x with respect to x log cos y as it is, and derivative of log cos y we will do, and x remain as it is. So in this way, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 log cos y as it is, and derivative of log is 1 over cos y, and cos y का derivative क्या होता है, minus sin y. So students, in this way we get log cos y sin y over cos y comes tan y into x dy over dx. Now put these values in the first step, जहाँ पर हमने स्टेटमेंट को जहाँ लेट किया था, अब हम दोनों ही वैल्यूज़ को पुट करेंगे. सो इन दिस वे वी गेट दिस वन बाय पुटिंग दी वैल्यू. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हमें क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है वी हैव टू फाइंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी टर्म dy ओवर dx को इन्वॉल्व करेगी दैट विल मूव इन दी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, एंड नेक्स्ट independent terms of dy over dx move to the right hand side. In this way you can see here these two terms have dy over dx, and these two terms are independent of dy over dx. So students, take common dy over dx from both the terms, and now we have to move this one in the denominator. So students, you can see here the solution. Here we have solution dy over dx log cos y plus y tan x over log cos x plus x tan y. So students, आज हमने बहुत ही important questions किए हैं. So आप इनकी बहुत अच्छे से practice करेंगे, and thank you.